Okay, let's take a look at what defines a breakout. So a breakout is when you have price pushing through an area of resistance. For example, here, a lateral resistance, this is a breakout. As you see the formation of this, price pushing through the high on this day, with volume increasing, this is the key piece. So you want to see price pushing through the resistance, whether it is a lateral resistance or a diagonal resistance. In this case, we're experiencing a lateral resistance breakout with volume increasing. So on this day, we cannot go inside this specific day. This was a few months in the past. But what we can look at is the volume that came in on that day, 3 million shares, traded shares. This is the highest since you can go back in these couple of months. So this was definitely an indication that volume was coming in, buying was occurring, and on that day, price ran from 7, well, when you actually open up 8, slight pullback, testing the ATMA, and then ran all the way up to 9. So this was the breakout day. Couple of days of consolidation. Again, what defines this breakout? It's the volume increase. And then we got a little bit of a consolidation here sideways. And now we see another formation, and I draw this diagonal line, which was forming a pennant. On this day came the breakout. Okay, so price opened up the line, and what happened? Again, volume increase. You gotta compare it to the previous days. Again, best is when the breakout is occurring within the 5-minute chart, 10-minute chart, or even 1-minute chart, which is my favorite type of chart for intraday trading. And so in this case, we have the breakout with volume increase. So then let's see what happens moving forward. Price continues to move higher, reaching the next level of 10, and then testing the top of the channel. So the top of the channel, what do you want to do? Unless there is a breakout of the top of the channel with an acceleration where price goes up vertically, this is a place to take profit. So on this day, in fact, you see a formation of a bearish engulfing. So we could expect maybe some consolidation, pullback above $10, $10.30. And there is the pullback. A little further down came to, yes, 980. So testing some of the highs around here. There is a volume increase on this day, up bar. So this could tell us that maybe there is interest coming in and more buying right above those highs over here. So this could have been a tricky day, but an interesting day. You could have set your stop loss just below this day's low. And in fact, this was a false alarm with a huge increase in down volume. Look at this down bar. So this price is going to move lower. And price came all the way down to test again the bottom of this breakout area. So this was the place to take profit, ideal, pull back. Now price is testing $9 level and the 50 simple day moving average. So that could have been a place to enter as long as price did not move below 9. And then came a massive move. Look at this, massive breakout on volume. Look at on this day. This was the first one. And this was the acceleration day. So price broke out of this area, 1031, and then broke above 11, and then extended all the way up to 14. And then we have some consolidation, and then another big breakout. And the point I want to make here, this is the interesting part with regards to breakout, is that right here we see another breakout out of this descending trend line. However, in this case, right here, this should be the day, we don't see such a huge volume increase. In fact, let's pull back and see exactly what's happening there, see if we can see a little better. This day, it's pretty much the same type of volume. If this was a breakout, you wanted to see a volume increase, like one of those big bars, maybe like that. It didn't happen. So this was the indication that this was not going to be a breakout. You could have run it for a couple of days, but as soon as price started forming a red candle, the beginning of the red candle, that would have been an indication, especially with this some red bar increasing, volume bar increasing, that would have been the indication that the breakout was not happening. I would not have entered the position right here because this breakout was false, not enough volume. And moving forward, price just did not quite make it, and is still trending above the 50 simple the moving average, but below the area we thought was the breakout, 19. That's the difference between a true breakout, where volume increases 5, 10, 15, 30 times compared to the average, versus a false breakout, where price breaks out of the resistance, but you don't see the volume spike, you don't see the volume increase. So this is the biggest difference, how to identify a true breakout from a false breakout. Look at the volume.